Hey everybody, we're going to deal with fonts on the Niimbot app for the B21 and the B1, and so there's a variety of fonts available now on it at no extra charge. I've been playing with this, so we've got a label loaded. Let me see if we can zoom in, and so we've got a round label. We're going to click on it, and let's click on it because that's what we're using. Double click to edit. Okay, so let's just put in here test font. There we go. So we're going to test our fonts here. Let's make this big. Alright, you see over here where it says font? We're going to click on it. And now we have all these English fonts available. Oop, let me move down so you can see that. We'll lift this up a bit. I hope we can see that. And you can scroll through here. Now you'll notice, I see I've got some too much light there. There's some arrows down. That means it's not downloaded yet. We can just click on that and download it from the internet. Doesn't take that long to do it. And then we could change the font just by clicking on it. See that? Oh, let's zoom out. Let's go and zoom out. All right. Let's see if we could get rid of that. There we go. Get rid of the glare there. I think that's better. Okay, so it changed it to that different font. I downloaded some here. We could change it here. We can change it here. Now it'll show the recents when we click over here on what fonts that we have used. We're back. These are all English. Let's travel around. There's quite a few of them. Titan 1. Let's take a look at that. Okay. All right, let's take a look at that. There are some VIP fonts. There we go. Some fonts they made. They're giving you VIP for 1 year for free. When you load in the app now, you'll see that. But this is really cool, so you can go and change out your fonts. Something different. There it is, just fonts. Download it. These are ones that we've used. Recent ones. So you can go through them. Check them out. Something really different. And most of them are free. There are some that you have, but you are getting a year free right now on VIP. At least that's what it said when I loaded up the app. You'll go and check it out yourself. That's all I've got for you today. Subscribe to the channel if you like what we're doing here. We're always looking for something new, playing around with the Niimbot. Let's see what else we got. What have we downloaded? Let's see, it takes a few seconds. Look at that. Easy peasy. Hope you enjoyed the video.